and it's time for me to make OFW successful now. I know maraming OFW ngayon na gusto nang umuwi, gusto nang makasama yung family nila dahil tandaan natin, even if how much yung kinikita natin, sometimes family matters pa rin talaga. Okay? So guys, I need just 10 lang. I need 10 lang for this day hanggang bukas, 10 lang. And then after nan, I'll be catering another 10 in an span of a month or 2 ulit. Kasi gusto ko muna sila matatutukan, magka-traction. Pag kumikita na sila, then I'll invite again for Dragons International. Again, 10 lang. Okay, 10 lang muna para matutukan natin. And then next month na ulit. Kontakin nyo kaagad ako dyan kasi dyan nyo lang ako makakontakt. Yan yung official na Facebook ko tsaka Instagram ko. So guys, see you guys sa inbox. Ako na bahala. Let's go.